So only about 25% of you are subscribed, so if you could hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you.
Wet sand, the great stuff that is just really cleaning everything, getting the loose stuff off out of the way while I'm flushing it. Soapy water and a rag and wet sand. And we're just wet sanding with some 600. And just knocking out the 400 scratches, ready for putting epoxy sealer on it and then base coat and clearing it.
So over the last couple of days, I have done a complete tune-up on this car. Got a new coil, got a new belt, new points, new condenser, new rotor cap. I just put a shit ton of oil in it. A couple months ago, I put on a new water pump. A couple months ago, I put on a new carburetor. So right now, we're just trying to get it to fire. But I noticed that no matter how many times I cranked over the engine, I wasn't getting oil up to the valve train. So what I got is my fancy drill and screwdriver, and I've been priming the oil pump, and I'm gonna show you what's not happening. So when I go down in here, remember, it's got oil in it. When I rotate it, no oil comes out of the weep holes, so the whole top end is not getting oil. Usually that means a bad pump, so we're gonna have to tear into this thing.